Wow, beautiful kitty. Let's learn ABCD with beautiful balloons. It's A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dog, and E for elephant. Let's make have a fun. K for kite, F for fish, L for lion, M for monkey, H for house. Wow, beautiful. V for van, U for umbrella, W for window, T for tree, X for xylophone. Thank you.